OSP OSP yes salutu mum Ofori times say there say na you say I don't know almost 100 charges ena ye de abono penifo na ya che omu nyina no he omu no da hoyi.
I said ade ba ko a ema ye mpefo no bia ye sika ena mra bia ya some time back I am running me feel say I am bone papa what you say PP you know
Procurement law no.
Yes, I am not born because I know now. Pay for me now, ba. No more for sure. I see it. No more years, no more call baby.
The professor side position is a Kenoforiata. This is not about so be convicted by ano. Who baby brand be face and let the due process of the law no enye adwuma. Say also when you're guilty, show the court say you are not guilty. Say OSP show evidence and let OSP also show say evidence against you. Simple. Mr. Ghana, ya can see a home. The idea it is a curse unto the nation. Because yen creative jobs, your creative jobs again be anyone ma obekwa kwatena a TikTok say or run home. Who are that do wrong?
I will say I share Afiase and OSP, Office of the Special Prosecutor Kissi one former Finance Minister who are Ken Ofori and Busia. One share banters any Iniko Yuku, not yet the name court, not OSP press conference, not Ghana force air Kasabi Bree, at the fast and some Nina, and it Katasha, and it Proyebi and Ghana Fus to say, Abra NPP, Abino Ewasono, and Ken Ofori, so Emma Ghana Tracy Kabibra, no, and the benefits it Kasabi, Omunim, the Bessinia, Ken Ofori, Edasu, Edith Nebusia, may no air Kase, latest update ya OSP, Ede Abano, charges Awaswa, Ediabo Ken Ofori, say ekopie say ye de Ken Ofori akoko gina quarter won three crowd say any nine de ebusia ensam no ye ensam a ani esusu ye pa emu nchemu e na me de ebabeso mo akwa abade abatu magi itun ma so say o first time nya business subscriber so ya kai say what the bill ne be count say ne be na upload ni to the first person ya wo sa ebidi kan aka ebusia ye to abama aban esan ye ma NDC for ebai ade ba ko a Womusai soko any catastrophe any proye. Na time when NPP force was Nagana for air womuso was a corruption. A idea, a did woman ye para nipa bakwa. Now womus let no one say when you see a say pa. A ura Ken Ofori be cratch say sending me any man pinning say come say and yama or yeno. A yaman pin and danko kufadu ebun and yakusun to combine society no. Now one more hequine say I ye be a yenchu be a crown. Now can you ura Ken Ofori and any pa. Ubeti me edi sejumano the Office of the Special Prosecutor Owura Kissi ejabe ebusia wo sha ase so de nsam kokopie mu e wo court ene ade chi ade sen na oba ebe press conference no magana for kra ebufu ye mo kire se nsam na Kissi ejabe eye na se wo bo apa na wa sheda se o shode Ken Ofori na ohu sa asem no Ghana for kan no sheda be press conference no ebufu se no be na obetwe Ghana for adwene e de free na se busia asem no e ka se OSP address ampa wo mini business ya watam Owura Ken Ofori edna kwakopie mu e wo court na charges mako oha 100 ena waswa ede abokopा na busa se ko ba ne se nyina ekububo ne dia ene Owura Ken Ofori na dwuma oba wiase be yeye se politician Ghana for ebisa se aso ne nyina ebe kofom anase obetimi etwitwaje no ma yenko ni kotie se ne ensam no emunhwemutie
Ofori times say there say ye na you say ye I don't know say he's in big trouble. Former Finance Minister Ken Ofori big trouble over say almost 100 charges. Ena ye de abono na OSP say the Office of Special Prosecutor aye no say I'm prosecuting ye first Ken Ofori yan convicted no cry hey OSP urade yankopon OSP Allah the OSP the young crofo no ohu omo da jail crank ye because enye easy o the OSP Albert Town Office of Special Prosecutor but eno na ma hu say ye nyina na ye ma OSP pressure including me yi me hu free me ka ho pa na ye say OSP jai no na onipa bi a ogidi say wo issue against the pakro no you can find a reasonable cause to charge the person and charge nipa no na nyina ye hu ano no em say OSP hu say no we dey anya say o charge keke o charge am we kisho say charge bia kwadu bia o de bebo obi bia o de be court. This is a winnable case e wo court enye winnable on touch because OSP ensusu we dey eche say charge who macho ankasa enya asem kweta na che the way OSP aya ade no so no utumu say said the first no na the big kwa we kwa utumu say America for na yes ye chi obi a na ya ma mark shot ya ma mark shot na ye de be ma no no na mo publish because enya Ghana na ye chi obi a when the person is a suspect no because of the presumption of innocence in tinu ye mfa ni pa na anim kra ma America for the almost law here promote presumption of innocence our criminal law but say you do photo beba. This is like officially ya charge with the say they have been able to establish reasonable cause, probable cause against you. You better photo near the waba. I think to a large extent, and also your kwanya obe faswa would be preventable because OSP yes salutu mum wait at least yeah and more pressure say court now you have shown say you are ready to prosecute inti OSP they say the can say the other cases over fire if you on my in the middle of the case no case this one you must give all of us updates every day to the end other cases so I will start here and they say you must give us updates to the end because this is one of the just say about I also for that case still Interpol normal clarify but this is about 100 charges when you know for case no 100 charges and nobody about a year first about 100 charges now before for that because we defending no 100 nobody man the anya ye crown at least 4 bidi 5 bidi a betch no almost 100 charges now lawyer question the charge sheet in bahar ye be free lawyer Aban so be join here so he will be explaining to us issues in but say the criminal law no nye opoyata nko onipe bia wo ye Ghana ni ye becho no a man and say you are innocent until proven guilty and despite say OSP a charge you opoyata no still a man say OSP say opoyata innocent until say obetime proving the case ni nyina e wo court say ane first opoyata is guilty. Now let me read to you part of the charges on Republic versus Kenneth Nanaya Oforiata and as that so and this is where Adiani is very interesting because nipa na akana ya charge o maka Oforiata the way ya do munyina photos abopo omobo me say forever and ever say photos will be online and obi a wo kan ho bibia wo ma wo nana no mo they will just say me say the OSP ya no ho more than a conviction oh sa photo match shots na ye twetwa nkrofo no chance a convict omo because obi a bo onana odie obi a be hu say na papa na ni photo da ho no enyo papa na nanimu o hey this is it mama nchire mo this is the photo this is it penifo na ya chi omu nyina no he omu na omu da ho yi na wa o papa wo mu a osofo kra kan ho ya chi no Oforiata we dey black onyumi na o senke ye boni sesi a asembeba Oforiata dey asembebo dey asem na bakra dada enkofo papa no mo na om photo da ho no official mark shot from Office of Special Prosecutor special prosecutor why are there enti Republic versus Kenneth Nanaya Oforiata and 7 others but who say because Oforiata is the former finance minister ntino ono ne kese big fish a owom enti nya charges eketwa and they get charges obi beka say sweeping charges ya ukodu court wa no obeye I think the strategy Office of Special Prosecutor no person adopting say the more charges obe pile the more it will be difficult for you to come and prove your innocence but you see criminal law no any defendant na watching na within abegina court no also proving your innocence there be Ghana mramu no so obi o charge obi wo criminal law mu a wona wodi nipa na kogina court na mra na also prove beyond reasonable doubt. But yes, you only friendly better boa no nimdi any nine ejina so. Enti say before OSP this because I said when they were come back and forth, no to me say OSP. What boy aduma? What boy aduma no dey do say no. Enti we'll go into the issue, but let me read just a quick portion of charge. Say Republic versus Oforiata and 7 others. We 7 others here and as Dako Akori, Imano Kofinti, Amisha Dai, Owusu Amwa, Isaac Cransel. Kwedo damwa SEPS customs papa penimu no military officer Canada mo no wo esro ho no wo hwe I think all right o hwe no da ho no Canada mo no Evans edu say Strategic Mobilization Limited, SML, omo the center of contract we are. Also count on statement of offense. Conspiracy to commit criminal offense or directly or indirectly influencing procurement process to obtain an unfair advantage in the award of a procurement contract. The conspiracy just a warning crop why you can brofo na the conspiracy na asichire no lawyer question obeba. Conspiracy just a warning crop why you can that's all. So on be award the contract on be ma SML for no advantage. Then the first start conspiracy. After second one, another operator 66 years in your position as Minister of Finance. You and Emmanuel Kofinti on also 66 years in your position as acting Commissioner General of Revenue Authority, and with Ivan Sedu saying 62 years beneficial into your lawyers we will look at OSP charges now or the ban because I know there was here explaining Ghana for namu nyina amutie no so mohunu se lo Ghana no emra o no ye ne famra ne nya adwuma Ghana emra ne de bi wo ha pa but ye mfa nya adwuma because oman ye aboro ye de chance ye be ya de e be boa oman no no oman no ebenya ho mfaso da bi aboro ne be yie na ye de be ye manfo no wo ho enu mom ye de chance ye be boa aboa especially youth no because look at the youth, we are not giving them anything and the youth in number 3 ebi na na no for Captain Planet guy ko kan ye yes tidal wave because she draw so pan na Ghana for ma ba wa o ma hyede akọ edwani wo enti ofo suggest wa dane no sa hya wo se den ansa na wanya adwuma hwe adwuma ni ho enti the girls are ready so be raw mo draws e dey apple boys adwuma wo ho a abrochire adwuma we McDonald's so kra me ba ko ma po ma ye adwuma McDonald's 1 hour McDonald's so kra mo ntua wie no hourly minimum wage kra na kwala no ko school or college and so oye adwuma McDonald's na ka chen ka McDonald's so fia bi wo Ghana kra nkofo ye adwuma eje bi 10 Ghana cedis an hour wo dey even say onye ma no 50 Ghana cedis a day kra na dey say minimum wage no body entua minimum wage kra ma na ka hwan na be kwa woro no nufu ho so o ko tidal wave hwan na be kwa woro ne sebi ne tumu say mrante e mehwe no because o sa hours o ko di o tidal o dwene ho hours sika o beje. But this is what we have turned our youth into. Ya ye maba wa ne mrante no so that just wa woro no do so ansa de wanya de obedie just a bema bi de akowo mama na broche for so take advantage twa send me ba na mu kakra da no ho kakra change your style and ya da ne ye guess no puppet the bia be ko TikTok no ge bi run ahwene ge bi run draw. This is the nation is Miss Ghana ya kesi e ho the idea ye mrante ne maba wa it is a curse unto the nation. Because yen creative jobs, your creative jobs again be anyone ma obekwa kwatena TikTok say or run home. Who are that do wrong? Me ya ababa wa me see so in 1920. Na me ya adwuma students chenga ye ntia me kabata allowance kakra PMP. Who trust story kakra na eba me do page eba ikra PMP me savanda papa ndie. Yakobon sha papa no. Me who say me di 18 on any first person oji year first Snake number the mommy. I was not even being said on your former automatic snake or J mommy. Mr. Vanderpoy, PMP, my former boss. And or J mommy. Now me that time now made it mean the 25 for crown. Ah, me what a snake a number no. Okay, me what I just say me could Jimmy who Debbie young and your money ya. Yanya America and yanya UK but at least ya suni ya dia kakra chede tori ye no Burkina inti ye no which that man camera no off on na me twen no but them say why you busy cause no obekwa kochira de inti ye to ansem no so for ya ta issue no and I big issue no inti ochira uko uzo papa bi da board wa na so papa no no ya charge no na ni photo ebo misi photo we say I'm convicted obi akwa the photos will be on I just said you sue for malicious prosecution which I know so very difficult for malicious prosecution also wo multi papa this is just your friend me bim lady yen to ansem no so na afa ye more enkomo no la question mama good evening ni akwaba
Good evening obini aba na apoma
aduma akwa unia la aba na mbaye ti yen shabat uni Monday oba ha no nsema o kan na trendy o wate Uko kana say example then
Enukra na me be sha say ma surprise won e Ghana for nyina say asamo kesi a wakofa be and first of
Eti yemko Kenofoyata there. So 100, almost 100 charges, 70 something charges against him. Part of the charge sheet we can, and I think part of the charge sheet.
Yeah, 78 charges against him. But for the sake of viewers and listeners, you know, and to say we take some time to educate kakra. I'm say charges, you know, corruption. Corruption do happen in the and if I say corruption in the of all the other charges. What me I say? Who breaking it down so now outcome be to say illegal procurement. Illegal procurement as I got to turn your mother buying.
Okay.
What me I say? Illegal procurement. Now what done them because we say government appointees, you know. Fat Satan so it is via a pine. Oh, your taxes are moving now. We can say, oh, me and head see you or see a kotoka. Car 5. But could be a market, you know, 50,000, and I'm for 200,000. No, natural say, but car about VAT to be 500,000.
It's a boom, can it be a guso?
Antonia say no more purchase. Oh, and say that could be 200. Now, what the 5 here we are. Oh, 2 5 10. 2 5 say beer. Instead of so 1 million. Do you get it? 1 million Ghana cedis, you know. Okay. No, no, 500. Into we cover 2.5 million. Into a profit 1.5 million Ghana cedis. As 1.5 million Ghana cedis, you know. So at the heart, you basic schools. Our children been doing community as a phone. What do I say? Villages are up to date. Open school. And go see a deal. Not the deal almost a small mine. Paying for no procurement into nobody. Now, somewhere, we found last month, then we sister stage, and we found TV3, and I'm making some recommendation. You say the same key point here. I prefer some other professors, no doctors. There's a class, you know, and they are saying that, but they say that. Yamia money you should experience a credit from near baby and now this was the issue minimal bomb Nanado Nina by HU procurement side, you know. The same story I can in the SML. Manfan Chomo will be a one saying no anything corruption we have to put MPP and NDC aside. In face is because corruption. Hey, Africa phone ya papa anti fiame nada. Last week ya say China. Yes, a Greek minister or so. Were involved in corruption related activities. Allegation by the same day. You're born to you know. Within 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes. And almost invite you know, the trial now, agent today, agent tomorrow. They are sitting on it. They will go back next week. The judge is not there. 2 months, 2 years. Open years judgment, you know, now 4 years in also. Nani pana fan who did not buy for Abba, and 8 years. In China, only use 1 month, only use 2 months, only use 1 week, not even 1 day. And then 1 hour crowd. It's a fear last week. Only 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 18 last seminar. And almost say, Master, you are guilty. And almost call I don't know, Nipano D. Sikan with you, man, Kawalu, school. What do you say? Within 15 minutes, I'm not trying ya sentence no sentence yes wo konsa wamu ye ku instantly omu ku instantly omu anything corruption they don't want to hear it because answer ne ebe na oppose no omba won no say masa oman ne ebe sum no ya masa be discount and the over peninsula na wo peninsula when you pass my peninsula no be
is very likely say OSP betimi prosecute because presumption of innocence and utina yeah the anya is say chewa even ya bo kwa still man fan say we innocent
that's a process
what charges no way OSP betimi prosecute
yeah because your system no abe NDC MPP what me I say and I mean say the corruption related charges are inka yes they na entry and whether we are NDC or we are MPP no you go pay the intina. Oh, because the same way when NDC was also in opposition, you did court, you know. The whole NDC as a party had to defend the people there. NSC on the table so now turn it. Oh, and the MPP also as a party, they will also be tempted to follow the same trend as a battle between NDC and MPP.
So why are we doing that?
Oh, internet both sides are as a country, you know, we are not willing to solve our major problem, which is corruption. Corruption is a very serious matter. So when I had that platform, I said, I'd never acquire Emma in pay for Yesika, and I'm maybe around some time back. I am running me fee said, I am Bonnie Papa. What did I say? PP, you know.
Procurement law. No?
Yes, I am not born because I know now. Telephone now, no more share as here. No more years can no more baby. The same in Rano. On one state of horses, is here crowd on my amendment. First, no, Nanka we are. Rebecca's a board on the better now, so and a parliament better. But now, you're open for tender. Yeah, that was the main thing. Say, you Upia may apply. What me I say? This a car ya me say you got 200,000. Now omo coin 500,000. Omo the paper say you prevent it. Wow, we a company. How bet me out of it? Am I no bonus sakra? Upia betenda a competition. And can command me share. Sometimes not only the pricing, but the quality also count. Now omo na say okay, who the high quality but the price is 200. Obviously, the low quality, but the price is 1.8. But if you say high quality, no, your fat 200 you are better than 1.8. Then the board will sit on it. No one decides to say you're fat 200. No, what do I say? But you see, I know almost the same. I know so no more say. Over to me after what they call soul sourcing. And when the technical comments, so no. Well, let us say, see, I know you won't even advertise it. For biggest potential.
Council, not just then law no a problem. It is the abuse of the law and a issue no.
Now we want for more opportunity. One more crowd within Nama to Amano. Now say
really the law intended to give Obi opportunity now because minister law no. The idea was a young streamlining and buying procurement. And two got pen, who got A4 sheet, who got paper, who got petrol ama buying. This threshold at district level, this threshold at regional level, say level, there's a procurement. So it's an exception to the general rule.
And that is what I'm saying, says that exception no money no. And I know how exception, you know. What do I say? You can give and make us a want to tournament to home. Now okra down there born in him. Then you are saying say more okra in touch. Why do you bring in so sources? So sources, you know, my condition be said, enka say a large quantity crab, a bowl, some limited beer. Then Parliament should come in. Another board should sit on it first. What may I say? A 3-4 so they explaining in
Is it not for emergency? You see, for the main issue of the charge Ofori was about SML contract, you know.
Yeah, that's so source, you know, even though it has time, time bound. No? You can't say who got 5 aeroplanes. 5 aeroplanes what in a sika boba, a sika bubro, into 1 to mean koto. And rather say sika bubro now only source in crana. My PPA board, your board will now board and then sit on it answer. What do I say? And I say a bro, I didn't say so. Now a bro board now one day swa and the Uncle Parliament. Sesikana involved no. Ebe ha omaina one. Ebe ha omaina bebedia. And the Uncle Parliament answer. Now my case is so because I just wanted to lay the foundation so that your viewers and listeners will appreciate why almost a criminal. No? Because almost said, even though it was soul sourcing, and random woman who can say you can do soul sourcing. No? What may I say? When follow due process. Due process, and then say, Sikana involved, no? Sikapudo. Wow, quantity is very huge.
Exactly.
It shouldn't have even passed through PPA. You can say a parliament straight. And may say to be opportunities, you know, Emrana Unkwa as a minister, Ubet Miyakoto, what may I say? So, you know, you can go and buy. But a huge sum of money, even though you can go and buy, you need approval from the PPA board, no?
Okay.
But sir, a bro PPA board, no, so then you have to send it to Parliament.
You should have sent it to Parliament for approval before awarding the contract.
Exactly, that is what they are claiming. But there is a school of thought almost okay. Some of them went to Parliament. I don't know which one is true, which one is not true. These are the 3 instances. And even though Mbrano had a mistake by bringing in soul sourcing, which of course was intended for some good purposes. You get it? This is an emergency situation anyway. Bagana and then emergency and if it's a Chinakwa and a Yakota, you to me my board in him. And I went to me my parliament in 1 day and 2 days. You get my point.
We can convene parliament for emergency cases, but that's
exactly.
Emergency to me. But sometimes emergency me about for instance in the COVID case, no, there was also emergency in that case. So
there's no emergency in Ghana here. I can tell you on authority. Anything you want to buy, you can buy it within 1 hour. What do I say? And they say 2 hours now. The 1 hour, there should be somebody to approve it for you.
Okay.
And yes, because we need checks and balances.
Okay.
But you don't say why am to say ever preventive checks and balances. Now I say checks and balances, you know, emergency case, you go to me they are too chain.
Okay.
Now then the checks and balances is useless.
Okay.
That is why my proposal say our PPA laws, you know, should be changed. Online, I've made recommendations. It needs to be changed immediately because you don't give the opportunity and room for our leaders to abuse. And on every year, no ministers here,
ABA JKC. That case is also in court. The same procurement breaches here.
Exactly. Because of the opportunity.
There was another company that was set up by the same PPA board chairman.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because someone will loophole no, and exploit it. And to men to tournament to an amount country or crown is a man in touch it. That be procurement laws, no, is the first thing that needs to be tackled. I will be grateful say after your show, no. After your show, you're paying for it, they will do something about it with the agency that it deserves.
Okay. Can I say for already kind of charge sheet, no, we've already spoken about a conspiracy woman ade. Me person me busa this issue about intent. Because a criminal jurisprudence, mono. I was said before OSP bet me a prosecutor, I'm also to me prove it. Overata boni trim, except for conspiracy, no na intent, but so I boni trim po and indeed bo chrono. Nigga can charges no facing, but let me just show you this, Professor Sari. Professor Sari so nim the entire can Ofori and Katakram per se or beba because and can wait and a simple issue come and defend yourselves. And a lot of people are jubilating over OSP. Also, last way, a processor, see, OSP drops the hammer on Ken for rigging procurement and playing millions for no work done. And then the major part of assembly in Nigeria, so they say, SML for also did not even do the work they claim they were doing. They ended up not doing any work at all. So I don't know how assemble ayehuno. So also obey a juma way. Ne ama osika say indeed, yeah. At the end of the day, no, a juma no so ya said why ye. Enti the professor position is a Kenoforiata. This is not about so be convicted by ano. Who baby branebe facey and let the due process of the law no enye juma. So also when you're guilty, show the court say you are not guilty. Say OSP show evidence and let OSP also show say or evidence against you. Simple.
Ejabusia say ena ensem no se nesi ko eni nyina ena yakwa akutie aba no sa brede owura Kenoforiata wo ma mepi o manga na mu yo da so a ewo America memu ti ye hwe kwan se sa bre ya asem no akwa akopie mu ewo court no ye be court ho brano bi on be frɛ asem no se be ye Kenoforiata ensem akomako wo hai aso obetime hwade no ho anase sei ena ensem no ebesi akọ message ne nyina no obegya comment ewo comment section ho e de amame too much gh all the social media handles so ko too much gh o subscribe no like no wa share na perform so enye bi ahwe makra.